Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm Ms. Rita Sehgal and today I'm here with your exercise 4.1 questions. I hope you all have gone through the concept video so that you can apply these concepts in solving this exercise question. Let's start with your exercise. Exercise 4.1, first question. Find the unit digit of the cubes. Simple question. Properties 4, 5, 6. When a unit digit is 1, then cube will have digit 1 at the unit place. Cube will have digit 1 at the unit place. Property number 4, that says if a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, then its cube will also end with the same digit. Same way, if a number ends with 9, then its cube will end with digit 9. Got it? So question number 3. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? I have taken first part as an example to solve. To check a number is a perfect cube or not, we have to do the prime factorization. Let's do the prime factorization of 11 to 5. So clearly it will start with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 3 3s are and 1. So what are the factors of 11 to 5? 5 into 5 into 5 and 3 into 3. Now to check if a number is perfect cube or not, we have to group them in 3 identical factors. First group. Now group of 3 is not complete. Here 3 is only twice. So it means grouping of factors in 3 identical factors is not possible. So 11.25 is not a perfect cube. 11.1125 is not a perfect cube, as grouping of prime factor 3 in 3s is not possible. कि हम 3 जो इसका फैक्टर है उसके 3 के ग्रुप नहीं बना सकते, उसका ग्रुप इनकम्प्लीट है. ओके. Now moving towards the question number 4. Find the smallest number to be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Number is not a perfect cube, but we have to make it a perfect cube by multiplying it with some number, and that number should be the smallest number possible. So again for this you have to do the prime factorization. 3 4s are 12, 5s are 15, 3 15, 3 5 and 5 1. So what are the factors? Factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now grouping of 3 is done, but grouping of this 5 is not possible. So if we multiply it with 5 twice, अगर हम इसको 2 बार 5 से multiply करते हैं, means multiply by 5 multiply by 5, तो इस 5 का ग्रुप भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. तो it means it should be multiplied by 25. 5 into 5 क्या होता है? 25. So 135 should be multiplied by 25 to make it a perfect cube. तो 135 को perfect cube बनाने के लिए हमें उसको 25 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. Okay? Now question number 5. Find the smallest number by which number must be divided. In previous question we have multiplied. In fifth question you have to divide it by the smallest number to make it a perfect cube. Again the first step is to do the prime factorization. Do the prime factorization of 11 to 5. 3 3s are 9, 21, 3 15 and 19, 25 and 5 and 1. Okay. So now the factors are 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Grouping of 5 can be done in 3s, but grouping of 3 is not possible. Here 3 is only twice. So we will divide it by 3 twice. Okay. Now the only group of 5 is left. Number is a perfect cube. So 3 into 3 is 9. It means 11 to 5 should be divided by 9 to make it a perfect cube. So 11 to 5 should be divided by 9 to make it a perfect cube. Got it? Question number 7. What is the volume of a cube having its side of 17 centimeter? You have to find the volume and its side is 17 centimeter. So solution will be side of a cube is 17 centimeter. We have to find volume. So volume of cube will be, how to find the volume? It is side cube. So side is 17. So volume will be cube of 17. Now multiply 17 thrice. 17 into 17 into 17. So it is 4913 centimeter cube. Here is your answer. Now question number 8. Find cube of 0.05. So first of all convert it into rational number. 5 by 100. So you have to find cube of 5 by 100. So it will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 100 multiply 100 multiply 100. 125 and 6 zeros. Now question was in decimal. Answer also should be in the decimal. So we have 6 zeros. Leave 6 digits from the right hand side. You already know how to convert fraction into decimal. So here is your answer. Next is a negative decimal number 0.9. So it is minus 9 by 10. Calculate cube of minus 9 by 10. So it is minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9 and 10 into 10 into 10. It will be minus 729 by 1000. Again convert fraction into decimal. So it will be minus 0.729 and this is your answer. Clear? Question number 2 of your exercise 4.1. I have skipped it earlier to solve easier question first, then we will come to the complex one. Question number 2. Find the volume of the cube if one face of cube has an area of 121 square meter. You should know that cube is a 3D shape. It has length, breadth and height. All three sides are equal. All three dimensions are equal and each face of a cube is a square. And one face of cube has an area of 121 square meter. So क्यूब के एक फेस का एरिया 121 स्क्वायर मीटर है. क्यूब का जो एक फेस होता है वो स्क्वायर शेप में होता है. सो सॉल्यूशन विल बी एरिया ऑफ one face of cube is 121 square meter and area क्यूब का एक फेस स्क्वायर शेप में होता है. तो एरिया कैसे कैलकुलेट हुआ होगा? साइड स्क्वायर में. साइड स्क्वायर मींस एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? साइड स्क्वायर. एंड दिस साइड स्क्वायर इज 121. फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट साइड. साइड इज अ स्क्वायर. आपको साइड कैलकुलेट करना है तो यू हैव टू कैंसिल द स्क्वायर और टू कैंसिल द स्क्वायर वी हैव टू टेक स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स. सो नाउ टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स. साइड स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट क्या हो जाएगा? साइड. और 121 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है? 11 meter. 121 is a square of 11. So 11 is the square root of 121. So now we got the side. We have to calculate volume of the cube. And volume of the cube, what is the formula for volume of the cube? It is side cube. And side is 11. So cube of 11, it is 1331 cubic meter. Clear? And this is the answer. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 1331 मीटर क्यूब. किसी भी फॉर्म में आप आंसर दे सकते हो. Okay? So now sixth question. How many cuboids of size 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now cuboid is again a 3D shape which have different length, breadth and height. Will be needed to form a cube of size 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter का cube बनाने के लिए how many cuboids are needed? What we will do? We will find volume of cube and cuboid. Then we will divide it and we will come to know number of cuboids that are required to make a cube of size 6 centimeter. So solution will be volume of cuboid. और cuboid का volume कैसे calculate होता है? Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 6 centimeter. So answer is 6 3s are 18 and it is 108 centimeter cube. Now calculate volume of cube and it is side cube. So it will be cube of 6 and it is 216 centimeter cube. To calculate number of cuboids will be volume of cube divided by volume of cuboid. So it is 216 centimeter cube divided by 108 centimeter cube. So answer is 2. It means 2 cuboids are required. Clear? Last question that I am going to explain of this exercise is exercise 4.1 is question number 9. What number has its cube 512 by 2197? 512 by 2197 ये किसका क्यूब है? Now it is a rational number. हमें ये बताना है कि ये rational number किस rational number का क्यूब है. तो what we will do? We will do prime factorization of numerator, prime factorization of denominator. Then we will make group of identical factors and then we will find 512 by 2197 is cube of which rational number. So first of all numerator 512, start prime factorization of it. To the 4, 256. I think we have already done it is prime factorization of this question in one example. So 512 is equal to 9 times 2. Now make a group of 3 same factors. So from one group we will bring one factor. So 512 is A. 4 to the 8, cube of 8. Okay. Now 2197. Do the prime factorization of 2197. It will go on 13. factors of 2197 is 13 into 13 into 13. It means it is cube of 13. So 512 by 2197 is cube of 8 by 13. It can be written as 8 by 13 cube. This is your answer. Okay? We have one rational number 512 by 2197. We have done the prime factorization of numerator and denominator. We found the grouping of all the factors can be done in 3. So it means they are perfect cubes. So 512 is a cube of 8. 2197 is a cube of 13. So this rational number is cube of rational number 8 by 13. Your question number 10 is like this question. Try to solve it yourself. For any problem or query, you can ask me. Okay? Bye. Complete this exercise in your fair notebook. Till then, see you in your next part of this chapter.